Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your GoHighLevel funnel or site. A favicon is that small icon that appears in browser tabs and bookmarks, and adding one gives your funnel a more professional branded appearance that helps it stand out. First, head over to the GoHighLevel login page and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, if you manage multiple sub-accounts, you'll need to switch to the correct one where your funnel lives. You can do this using the account selector at the top of the page or in the left navigation menu. Now look at the left navigation menu and find the option called Media Storage. Click on it to open your media library. This is where all your images, files, and assets are stored within GoHighLevel. Once you're on the media storage page, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the Upload button. Your file browser will open, allowing you to select the favicon image you want to use. Choose your favicon file and upload it. Keep in mind that favicons work best as square images, typically 16x16 or 32x32 pixels. Once your favicon has finished uploading, hover your cursor over the image. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appear in the top right corner of the image thumbnail. Click on those dots and an expanded menu will appear. From this menu, select Get Link. This copies the direct URL to your favicon, which you'll need in just a moment. Next, navigate back to the left menu and click on Sites. This will take you to the Funnels page, which is exactly where we need to be. Here you'll see a list of all your funnels. Find the funnel where you want to add the favicon and click on it to open it. Once you're inside the funnel, look at the top navigation menu and find the option labeled Settings. Click on it to access the funnel's configuration options. Under the Settings menu, you'll see several fields including your funnel name, associated domain, and path. Scroll down until you see a field labeled Favicon URL. This is where you'll paste the link you copied earlier from the media storage. Simply click into that field and paste the URL. After you've added the favicon URL, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save. This ensures your changes are applied to the funnel. Your favicon should now appear in browser tabs whenever someone visits your GoHighLevel funnel or site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.